Hello, everybody. Hope you're well. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. How are you today? I hope you can hear me loud and clear. All right, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. How are you doing? You're right. Felix! Hello, Felix. How are you, Felix? Hope you're doing good. Right? Hello, Joshua. All right, Joshua, how are you? Sam Jolu, can you hear me? Somebody say yes, I can hear you. Somebody say yes, I can hear you. Hope I'm not just talking. Can somebody confirm that they can hear me? Thank you. Thank you. Robert Ariku, number one. You are the number one, and you followed by Stanley and by Lydia. All right, and trader newbie Joshua. Great stuff. Thank you so much. Great and lovely people. Good to see you again today. Job Junior. Oh, is this your first time, Job Junior? Okoli, welcome back. Venkafresh, is this your first time? Venkatesh, is it your first time? Nkube, welcome back. Stanley, how you doing? All right, Sam, Nkube, good to see you all today. Excellent. Today is Friday. Is the end of the week. Time to let's go. Time to relax. So we're gonna relax a little bit today. But we're still gonna do some lesson work. So just take it easy. Let's go. Take it easy tonight. It's gonna be fun. Okay. So we got new people here, I guess. I know there are a few people that I know they've been here already. Felix is already here. Joshua is a member. Trade newbie, yes. Bemisola, yes. Robert, yes. Stanley, yes. Lydia, I guess. Trade newbie, yes. Joshua, yes. Eric, are you new? Job Junior, okay. So okay, Venkatesh, are you new? Yes, confirm please. We need to know who is okay. Yeah, good. I can see that. Venkatesh, you're welcome. You're new, right? Excellent. There are a lot of people going to look after you tonight. They're going to look after you, so don't worry. We're going to talk about the simple strategy which is making waves now. Okay, good stuff. Eric, good to see you. Not really. Okay, that's good. Omar, your first day, Omar. All right. Okay. All right. So where are we from today? We are 20 on the live session right now. Where are we from today? Job. Oh yes, you are also new. Yes, I didn't want to be too forward, you know. All right, welcome Junior, Job Junior. You're welcome, right? Excellent. Welcome on board. So where are we from today? Which country are we all from today? Let's confirm that. Which country are we all from today? London, Frankie London. How are you? Are you from Lambert, Tower Hamlets, Southeast, Northeast, Islington, West London? Which part? Eric, South Africa. Great stuff. Oh, Camberley. Okay. Nice place in Camberley. South Africa, Johannesburg, Pittsburgh, Randburg, Pretoria, Mpumalanga, Randfontein, Bloemfontein. Where about? Republic of South Africa. Dubai, Omar. Dubai, the greatest, one of the greatest hotels in the world is there. Okay, Job from Nigeria. You are great. Welcome. Okay, Venkatesh is from India. Good to see you. Good. Mumbai or from Bangalore or from which part? Sam from Nigeria, you're welcome. Stanley as well. Joshua from New York City. Okay, good to see you. Kenya from Kenya is Catherine. Good to see you again, Catherine. It's long time. Where have you been? Okay, anyone from Dubai? Yes, you're going to get a lot of people from Dubai. We got a lot of people from Dubai. Onyedika Che, good to see you from Nigeria. Christopher is from California. Wow, California City, California. All right. I used to been to San Diego, California. You know, very lovely, hilly place. Nice one there. Lovely country. Good stuff. Okay, Robert is from Nigeria. Good to see you. Which part of Nigeria are you from? Pritesh, hello. And Eric is JHB, which means short form. If you don't live in Johannesburg, you don't know what we call it. We don't call the whole of the Johannesburg. We call it Joburg. Joburg, the city of gold. Oh, South of Africa. Good stuff. Okay, so Vrankatesh is from Kombatore. Okay, Tamil Nadu. Okay, great stuff. Great stuff. And Robert is from Lagos. Lagos City. And Edric is from Zimbabwe, the golden city of Harare. Good stuff. All right, France. Good to see you, Faraz. Okay, Okoli is from where it's called FCT, right? Federal Capital, right? Great stuff. Good evening, Faraz. And Stanley is from Bayelsa. Good to see you all today. I'm really glad that you are here, and we're gonna get on working now. Okay, great stuff. We are already 32 in attendance, so that's good enough for us. 32 is good enough for us, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so welcome on board. If you are new, if you are returning, you are also highly welcome. So we have been dealing with our strategy over a few weeks now, as you can see, and we've got great followership on this strategy. It's very simple, and we try to keep it so simple. Because when it's simple, you can trade it and then you can master it. When it's too complicated, then there's room to give excuses and say, oh, it's because of that indicator of that indicator. But now there's no indicator. It's me and my chart. You and your chart with your two pair of eyes. Athens in Greece. Oh, good to see you. Cyril, Athens, yeah, great stuff. That's a lovely European country. That's great stuff. Okay, all right, Deepak Rao, good to see you, Deepak. Excellent. Okay, so now for all of us that will be here 1 or 2 days or 3 days or 1 week or 2 weeks, it's your time to shine. I'm going to give you exercise to shine now, so you get your fingers ready on the buzzer. You know what is coming, right? You know what is coming. The question is coming, so I'm going to expand it. I want to test your knowledge of this strategy, okay? So as you know, this is the box here, okay? That's the box here. You know that already. Okay, so simple question today. What is our trigger box? Trigger candle. Is it candle number 1 or candle number 2? Trigger candle 1 or 2. Anybody who's going to go there first? Who's getting it first? Trigger candle. Trigger. Which one is the trigger candle? Okay, Robert 2. Okay. Robert says 2. Farah says 2, Eric said 2, Joshua said 2, Catherine 2, Deepak 2, Omar 2, Felix 2, Joseph 2, Kube 2. Excellent. Looks like everyone is on a roll now. Even Job, who is coming for the first time, He knows the answer. That's great stuff. Good to see. Good to see that. Hello, Luna. You're welcome. Unkube. 2. Excellent. So everyone is on the same page. That's great. That's great. Excellent. I love that. Okay, good. Thank you, Omar. Good stuff. All right. So number 2 is our candle, right? So we know the reason why that is the case. And the reason is because this number 1 candle is touching the line. Even though half of it is outside, but we don't want half to be outside. We want the whole thing to be outside. So this is the first candle that the whole candle is outside. None of the part of the candle is touching the line. That's why we call it our breakout candle. We call it our trigger candle. We call it our committed candle. Whatever name you want to give it, but that is the candle that will invite us to trade. So we go long after the close of that candle. Okay, so we go long after the close of this candle, which is here. The candle closes here. The candle closes right over there. So let's make this line a normal line, different from the other ones. Okay, so the candle candle closes here. Okay, you all know where the stop loss is. Stop loss is at the bottom line here. So if you buy, your stop loss is at the bottom. Okay, so and what is your take profit target? The size of this box, size of the box. Okay, so if you are here for the first time, this looks strange to you, don't worry. We are going to go over it one more time in a slower motion. All right, so our take profit target, oh, good number today, 34 pips, 34, 35. Let's call it 35 for easy way to remember that. 35. Okay, okay, so we're looking for 35 pips from here. Okay, so let's see if you get 35. Fine. If you don't get 35, we have an answer. We have solutions to that. We always have solution for everything here. All right, so what do we get? We got up to 25. Okay, so we are looking for 35 pips, but we got 25 pips. So we are 10 pips short of our target. Okay, but as you can see, the price reverses and reverses and reverses, and eventually it touched the stop loss here. Okay, now I will ask you that question one more time. I ask it every session. Now that you have 25 pips, at least you can see it on your screen that you have 25 pips, and the 25 pips start dropping. From 25 pips it becomes 20 pips, it becomes 15 pips, it becomes 10 pips, it becomes 5 pips, it goes to 0 and start going negative. -5, -10, -15, -20, -30. My question is, will you watch your profit from 25 pips diminish to negative? I think I will not. So my solutions to this is, once I'm in a trade and I'm able to secure 10 pips, so I have said that 10 pips cannot become negative. It's impossible. In the worst case scenario, I will come out break even. So when the price start to reverse, I will keep my eye watching on it, and I say, look, well, if you can't go my way, but at least don't take money away from me. So when it gets to where I enter the market, the position, I will exit. So I will come out here, break even. Okay, break even trade, because you got plenty of chance in a day to enter the market. So why do you want to hold on to a losing trade for too long? Now you got an opportunity here again. So fingers on the buzzer again for second time. Okay, because now we are going to identify the trigger candle again from here. Okay, this time around I'm going to make it a bit confusing because I don't want to. If you give me the same number, it might be wrong, it could be right. Okay, so let me tell you, which one is the trigger candle? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? So the candle here is number 1, the candle here is number 2, and the little candle here is number 3, which is our trigger candle. 1, 2, or 3. Fingers on the buzzer, everybody. Yes, Joshua. Yes, we can trade this strategy with US 30. We will see it today. We will check it out. So Robert 3, Faras 3, Stanley 3, Bemi Sola 3, Felix 3, Deepak 3, Venkatesh 3, Joseph 3, Chumeze 3, Nkube 3, Catherine 3. Okay, seems we are getting hang on this thing. Yeah, I'm delighted about that. Excellent. Okay, so if you tell me your answer is number 1, Tabang, welcome back, Tabang. If you tell me it's number 1, it's completely out of sync. It's completely wrong because it's not even outside at all. It's still inside. So it's never in a million years qualify. In the 1 million years qualify. If you tell me your answer is number 2, I'll say incorrect. Because number 2 is halfway in, halfway out. 1 leg in, 1 leg out. Joshua, good to see you. Welcome. And Nkube, yes, you can do it for Nifty 50, but we don't have Nifty 50 on our broker platform. So if you tell me it's number 2, it's wrong because it's touching the line. Part of it is inside. However, look at this candle number 3. It's completely detached. It's completely outside. It's not touching the line, so that is our candle we are looking for. Okay, so if you tell me your answer is number 3, you are absolutely correct. Great. So we're going to put our sell line at the close of that candle. At the close of this candle, we sell. Okay, and when we sell at that level, remember our take profit target still remain 25 pips, and now we're looking for 25 pips from where we enter our sell position. So from here we're going to find where is 25 pips. Okay, so we got 25 pips right after here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's under 1 hour. That's 10 candles, 5 minutes candle, 10 candles. We got 25 pips profit. That's TP1. Then second take profit target is multiplied by 2, which is 50 pips. We got that one right here, 50 pips right here. Maybe an hour again after that. Let's see if you get able to get to TP3 today. TP3 75. Did we? Yes, we did. This is 82. So, ladies and gentlemen, for GBP USD today, it's fantastic, isn't it? Somebody's mentioned on the Telegram channel that GBP USD was good today. I confirm that with that person is right. So TP1, TP2, and TP3 on this side of the trade, and on the buy side, we said we break even trade. But some people will make good profit here, even though I call it a break-even trade. Remember that you are 25 pips in profit. So you could have come out with 10 pips, or 5 pips, or 18 pips, or 20 pips, even though you haven't hit your target. But I'm assuming that, okay, you didn't do anything, but definitely you must take action when it gets to your zero line. Okay, any question? What is the best time frame? Job. Okay, 5 minutes. We put it on 5 minutes. Okay, you need help setting new session opening and end. Okay, all right. So we are going to do that now. Okay, we are going to slow down and help other new people. Okay, we're going to help new people right now. So let me put USD chef. Is this today? Let's see. Is this today? Yes, this is today. Okay. All right. This is today. Okay. This is USD chef. This is different from what we saw yesterday. All right. Okay. All right, so if you are here for the first time, this is your chance to learn the strategy and become a professional. You want to become a master, this is your chance. This is your chance to become a master. All right, so you master the strategy. Somebody said this is the first time, I think on the Telegram channel or Telegram group, that this is the first time they actually make money in Forex. I'm glad to hear that. You know, that is the aim. The aim is to equip you guys, equip everybody to be wise and to know what they are doing. You know, you don't want to throw your money to the market. You want to make money out of the market. So welcome to the team. We are rocking the Forex boat now. The brokers, I'm sure they are aware now that there's some group who are actually doing it. Okay, good. Babu from India. Babu be India. Welcome. Okay. Okay, New York session. Okay, all right, no problem. We'll get there. We will get there. Okay, so I'm slowing down now because of our new people. All right. So this box is the 1 hour session between 7 and 8 a.m. UK time. If you like, I call it GMT, but I'm sure it's UK time. So this 7 to 8 a.m. you need to convert it to your own broker's time. Okay, I'm using IC Market and my broker's time is 2 hours ahead of UK. So that is why instead of saying 7 to 8 on my box, I will say 9 to 10, 2 hours ahead. Okay, so this box is an indicator called session. I'll show you now. That is the indicator. It's called sessions. It's a MQ4 indicator and it has all the file. You can modify it if you want. If you're a programmer, you want to see the engine. You want to open it up and do whatever you want to do with it. It is there for you. It is the MQ4 version, MQL4 version, or the EX version. Okay, sorry if you're asking for the MT5 version. I do not have the MT5 version, but I'm 100% sure that there will be MT5 version on the internet if you search for it, because I trade on MT4 platform. I really don't do much with the MT5. Okay, so I got the sessions indicator. If I double click it, and I will get the property, which is here now. So the property is there. Okay, so that's all the property that it has. So simple. So you can set three sessions. So 3 different sessions. You can set the Asia, you can set Europe, and you can set US. Okay, depending on what you want to trade. So as you can see, so far we have only Europe session on our chart, and you can see the reason why we have that, because for the Asia we have disabled it. We put the color to none, hence the color will not show, nothing will show. For the Euro we put the color at purple, hence you see this purple color on the chart. And for the US we remove the color, we say color is none, hence you will not see it on the chart. So we are going to get to a point where we are going to turn either this on or both of them. We will do that before the end of today. Okay, so but to start with, we don't want to have all of them on the chart yet, so that for new people it might be a bit confusing. So I hope the indicator is clear now. Oh, how to join the Telegram group? Okay, it's so easy. It is damn easy. So I will try and locate the link for you. Okay, so the good thing is this indicator is also there in the Telegram group, so you can go there now and download it, and you don't pay anything for it. It is free. Okay, it's free of charge. It is free of charge. No payment required. No payment required. But you got to download it, and to download it you got to go to the group and click join. So let me forward you. I will forward you now the link. All right, so to join the group, here is a link. So Omar or anyone else who wants to get this indicator, if you want to lay your hands on this indicator, and not just this indicator only, there are other indicators right there in the group. So when you join on the file section, files, you will then look for sessions.mq4 and download it onto your platform. That's it. All done. You are set. So once you are set, okay, you set your time. As I said before, for Europe, we set the time to 9 to 10 a.m. Okay, because my broker is 2 hours ahead of GMT. So it's ahead of London. I set it to 9 to 10. Okay, so 2 hours. Instead of 7 to 8, it will be 9 to 10. Hence, once I've done that, I will see the purple color show up on my chart. And it's going to be for between 9 and 10. Watch this data window here. If you watch this data window, it will show you exactly what time is the box. So if I put my mouse on the first candle, if you look at the data window here, you see it is saying 9 o'clock. The next one is 9:05, 9:10, 9:15, 9:20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and the last candle is 60, which is 10 o'clock. And that's it. We're done. So the box has been formed for the hour. Okay, now it's your business to start looking for which candle is going to be the first one that is going to be out of the box, either up or down. We really don't want to know that much, except it's out of the box. So when it's out of the box and it's not touching the line again. All right, so if you are new or you are returning, this is for you now. You got to answer these questions. Fingers on the buzzer. You know what is coming, right? So tell me, right, if you look at this, I'm going to start with this small little doji candle here, as I call it number 1. I call it this big bullish candle number 2, and this block here number 3. So let me tell you a caveat. If you can't see very well whether something has touched or hasn't touched, just assume that it has touched. So you want to be on the cautious side. You must be 100% sure that you got your trigger candle. That is, the trigger candle is completely out of the box. No question whatsoever. I can check that by using this data window, by looking at, oh, okay, what is the close price or the low price of this and that. But if it's just too close to call, I say, look, I will forget it. I'll look for the one that is so clear, glaring. Okay, look at my people. They are already answering that question. Great stuff. Faraz 3, Daudo 3, OJ 3, Nkube 3, Chumezet 3, Catherine 3. Who else? Who else is gonna answer us today? Who else is there? Catherine said 3. Okay. Great stuff. I think we're doing great tonight. We are on point. Okay. So if you say your answer is 1, you are definitely wrong. Omar 3 as well. If you say 2, okay, trade not open. Okay. If you say 2, well, you might be right, but from the vantage position that I am now, I can see that it's touching. It is very, very close. But I said if it's too close, just let it go and look for something that is clear. So the one that is so clear to us, glaring to us, is this number 3. So well done everybody today, even the new guys, new ladies and gentlemen, they got it right. Thank you so much. So number 3 is the correct answer. So now we are going to put a buy position at the close of candle number 3. Okay, candle number 3, we put a buy position at the close of candle number 3. Okay, so we buying here. Okay, if we buy at that level, Remember that our stop loss will be here, okay, and take profit will be the size of this box. So let's measure the size of this box today. The last one was 25. Oh, this one is a small box, 10 pips. All right, small box. Small box today, 10 pips. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, did we get 10 pips? I'm sure we should get 10 pips. Now we should get 10 pips. In fact, the question is whether we get TP2. It's too close to call. Okay, though it's reading about 20 pips. You can squeeze in TP1 and TP2, but by the time you take out the spread, maybe you only take TP1. Okay, so let's be conservative here. So you got your TP1. Hurrah! Good trading. Excellent. Okay, is that all for today? Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh no. You got more than TP1. Oh yay. Look, I stopped here. Didn't realize that there is loads of stuff going on there. Loads of stuff. Okay. So if you look from where you enter here, let's make sure we get to the top of the pile. All right. From here, if you we got long from here down to the top there, that gives us 96 pips. 96 pips. So, and our take profit target is 10. So if your TP1 is 10, it means you can have TP1 10, TP2 20, TP3 30, on and on up to your TP9. Fantastic. TP9. Wow. Who knows whether it's going to get up to TP9 today? Nobody knows. Mr. Forex doesn't know. Nobody, no professor can predict where it's going to stop. Okay? But you can get ready for it. When the opportunity comes, you can take the advantage. Great stuff. Okay, so that is it for our newcomers. I hope you understand the strategy. So you set loads of take profit target. Your first take profit target will be the size of the box. That's your TP1. You can have TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5. You can set it how many TPs you want to set. Okay, so ideally your TP1 is almost sure to hit your TP1 on a daily basis. TP2 also close, but hitting TP9 maybe once in 20 or 30 times it might do that. Okay, so the higher the number of your TPs, the likelihood of getting there reduces. Okay, excellent. Any question? Do you do the same with New York sessions? Okay, yes, Omar, yes, we started this with the GBP USD. We started with GBP USD pair, but now it has expanded to nearly every currency pair, and in fact people are trading using this strategy for indices as well. Things like Aussie 200, Dutch Mark 30, France 40, Spain 35, Hong Kong 30, Italian, Japanese, UK, all this stock, US, everything here. People are using it to trade it. So it works very, very well indeed. Okay. You want to see NASDAQ then? You want to see NASDAQ? Job want to see NASDAQ? You want to get my personal contact? You want to talk to me privately? Oh, gee. All right. Okay. Right. So what you can do, all right, is to have you joined in Telegram group yet? OJ, are you on the Telegram group? Because I'm there on the Telegram group. Here is a link. If you are not there yet, here is a link. Join the Telegram group. You can message me if something special. Remember, I will not reply to all messages on Telegram group. The reason of the group is so that we can all chat together. So we can all be masters of Forex. Not just one person, but all of us being masters. So when you get into the group, currently, okay, yes, okay. Currently we have over 700 people. So 700 people chatting together, discussing the same topic. You see how powerful that will be. All right, so private me, OJ, and I should reply you, but make it constructive, okay? Excellent. Great stuff. So that is the strategy using on the USD Swiss francs. Okay, who wants to see something else? NASDAQ. All right, somebody wants to see NASDAQ. Let's go for it. Let us go to America. NASDAQ. That is the US. NASDAQ is the US tech, is it? Yeah, it's the US tech. US tech. All right, let's make sure we are looking at today. Okay, so this is today. But NASDAQ, you can't do NASDAQ without thinking about US session, because NASDAQ is a US stock market. So let's try and add US sessions to it. The time we put on US session is actually debatable at the moment. So this is 13 to 14, which is 1 to 2 p.m. And that is IC market time. In terms of GMT or UK, that will be 11 to 12. Okay, so let's see how it goes with that. Okay, so we're going to let's use something interesting here. Plum. What's plum? Plum. Okay, that's plum. Let's use plum. Okay, all right, so this is US here market, that is Europe market. Okay, that is Europe market, this is US market. And sometimes the Asia market, if you turn it on, let's turn that on as well. So we have all the three sessions. You can see the comparison. So let's turn on the Asia market. Let's put on Asia market. Let's call it brown, 2 to 3 a.m. Okay, all right. So you got the Asia market here, you got the Europe here, and you got the American there. Okay, so for this particular US tech, let's see. Okay, US tech, yeah, that's right, we're on US tech. Okay, Euro USD, we'll do that later on. Hi, can you make full list with the best pairs for this strategy? I would say start with one. Just start with GBP USD, and once you master that, move on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Okay, so right, so for this one, if you've gone long here, so you can draw your lines. This is first line here, and top and bottom here. Oh, no, that's all right. Let me make it bigger for you here to see. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look, something here you can see. Let me make it bigger as well again. Zoom again. Yeah, zoom again. All right, so this is the 1 hour box for the Asian session. Okay, now look at this three candle. Is this three candle? In fact, if you put it right, let's make sure we put it right. Yes, okay, look at these three candles, right? Is there a trigger candle among these three? Is there a trigger candle among these three? Did we get into a sell trade here? Answer yes or no. Did we get into a sell trade? No. Vangaresh, good. No. Job, OJ, no. Sam, Sam Gold, Omar, no. Nkube, no. Felix, no. Omar, Jojo, no. Jojo, no. All right, now catch ya, Omar, joking. Yes, that's great stuff. Okay, so the reason why I point your attention to this is because some strategy, they look similar to this, but they are completely different. Okay, some strategy is called breakout strategy, right? So they said, once you draw the session box, you have your channel, and once you touch the breakout line, you are in the market. So for example, this candle here will have taken you into a sell position. That's some people's strategy. Okay, even this candle also will have taken you into the trade because it's already out of the channel. But that is not our strategy. We have a USP. USP. Don't tell anybody. Don't let them know. That is our USP. It's special. Okay, it's called unique selling point. In fact, if you want to know the secret of this strategy, I'm telling you tonight. Okay, it's a secret. It's a secret. Okay, let me tell you the secret to it. Yeah, why people are making money using this strategy. The secret to it is because it doesn't follow the normal breakout system that millions of traders uses. You know, millions of traders, they use breakout system. If you Google for breakout, you are going to see thousands and thousands of different systems called breakout. You have London session breakout, Asian breakout, US breakout, box breakout, different breakouts. Okay, but not many of them use this specific ingredient. Not many of them uses this ingredient. Okay, let me tell you the secret. Joe secret. Yes. Only me and Joe know that secret. Me and Joe. Should we tell them the secret tonight? Should we tell them the secret, Joe? All right, no. You all deserve to know the secret because there's no secrets behind the secret. Okay. Good. All right. So the unique selling point for us is that we don't go into a trade blindly just because a candle has crossed the line. No, we will have our special way of going to the trade. So that's why these three BB candles, they didn't qualify. They never take us into the trade because we are looking for a candle that is completely outside. It's not touching the line. So it's not easy to find it if you have a ranging market that is ranging around the line. So you won't get that box. So you only get a box when there's a significant move. Okay, so here there's nothing that will take you into a sell trade. We are safe. Otherwise, if you have gone into a sell trade here, quickly you hit your stop loss at the top. But because here you didn't go to the trade because of our USP, unique selling point, our secret between me and Joe. Joe, sorry for picking on you. Oh my goodness. Joe is a lucky man today, right? I'm lucky too. I think everyone is lucky today. Okay, so no trade here. And then fingers on the buzzer, everybody. Fingers on the buzzer. Which one is the trigger candle here? Candle 1, candle 2, or candle 3? Whether you are new or you are returning, 1 or 2 or 3. 1, 2 or 3. Where is the key? Which one is the trigger candle? Robert! In the spirit of inclusiveness, let us all know. I have already let the cats out of the bag. So the cat is flown away. So it's no longer in my possession. You have it now. Job 2, Faras 2, Nkube 2, OJ 2, Omar 2, Venkatesh 2, Victor, where have you been? Chimeze 2, Victor 2, France 2, hello France, Robert 2, Felix 2, excellent. I mean, today we are 100% correct. I haven't seen anybody get anything wrong, including the new people. That's fantastic. That's very unusual. We used to have debates as to whether it's number 2 or number 3, but today seems to be plain sailing. Is it because it's a Friday? Everybody seems to be relaxed. Is it? Jeez, be relaxed. You are relaxed. Okay, so that is So this candle is not the right one because it's touching the line. And obviously you are right. That is the candle we are looking after. We are looking for. Number 3 is also meets the criteria. But unfortunately, it is not the first one we found. We found this one as the first one. So once we found the first one, we stop looking. That's it. In fact, we are in the trade already. So why are you looking again when you're already in the trade? So we are in the trade here. That's a buy trade. From that point, we're going to a buy trade. All right, so we're going to a buy trade here. So let me zoom so you can see what is happening. Okay, so remember we are still in the Asian session here. So the Asian box, the take profit for that is, let's call that 62 pips. Though it's telling me 634, but I like to keep it short. 63. Okay, 63 is our take profit target. Okay, so let me do like that. Yeah, so you can see the big picture. Okay, so from here 63, let's see when we were able to make our 63 pips. If you have entered from Asian session and you set your TP1 63, did you get it here? Yeah, we got it before we got to, okay, we didn't get it here. We got it just before we got to the American session. Okay, and finally highest point is 134. So 134 and 63. So we've reached TP1 and TP2 by the time we get to American session. So sometimes it might even be a good idea to actually start early in the Asian session if you want to try that strategy. However, the one that we know about is the Europe. And the reason why we are doing this here is because we are looking at the US tech. US market. We're looking at US market. Anybody else? You want to see something else? Anybody wants to see something else? Okay, somebody mentioned euro dollar. Okay, let's go to euro dollar. Quick and fast. Euro dollar, quick and fast. Let's see euro dollar today. This is euro dollar today. Okay, so we got 3 sessions as well. So let's start with our Europe session. Okay, for euro dollar, this is our Europe session. All right, Europe. I'm sure somebody is already thinking, oh my goodness, this is a great opportunity to just continue to carry the pips home, make the pips. Okay, so this one here, you will have gone long after the close of this candle here, and your take profit target is going to be 18 pips. Yes, is that 18 or 19? 19 pips. And then let's see if you reach your 19 pips after here. You go long after here, 19 pips. Yes, we did. We got to 20 pips. So you got your TP1 there. And let's move our box again. Let's move our business to American session. Now we go to American session. This is the US session. Okay, now we wait a little bit. So it takes a long time for us here to get into our trade. So the session is formed here, but because the size of the box is a little bit large, so it took time to find its direction. So all inside the box is called range. When you are still inside this channel, you are still in a range. So we are looking for a trend, and only trend happen with a breakout. So when trend happen, when there's a breakout, it's always followed by a trend. But when there's a breakout and it goes back into the box, it's called a fake breakout. Just like we saw earlier, fake breakout on the other pair that we looked at. That is Dutch mark. It's a fake breakout. So our unique selling point help to prevent a fake breakout. You are going to see a lot of fake breakouts, but if you apply that strategy, so the strategy or the secret is here now. Okay, fingers on the buzzer one more time. But this one I'm gonna make you really confused. Confused. All right, so I'm going to start from, I just want to push you to the limit tonight. Want to see how good you guys are. Okay, I'm going to start. It's going to be number 1 to 5. So that you definitely have to know what you are doing. Okay, so I'm going to start from this one. Okay, so this is my number 1. Look at it properly. That's number 1. If you want me to make it bigger, oh no, that's the last size. That's the biggest size. All right, so that's number 1 candle. Okay, this is number 2 candle, number 3 candle, number 4 candle, number 5, number 6, number 7. 1 to 7. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Let me see if we are going to get a full house. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. I am the teacher here. I can decide to put it to number 20 if I want. You are the student. You need to figure it out. Oh, why you people quickly saying 4? What's going on? Gee. Sam gold. You guys are saying 4. Why 4, man? Why 4? Why are you saying 4 there? Okay, let's see who's getting it. Let's say, okay, so let's start with Faras 4, Vantage 4, the Forest Apostle. Hello, Mr. Apostle. How are you today? 4, Job 4, Nkube 4, Omar 4, OJ 4, France 4, Victor 4, Sam Joke, Sam, Gold. Is that your answer? Phone a friend. All right. Okay. Is 4. Kwan is 4. Sam is gold. Okay. Sam, you really want this gold, man. You really mean this gold, right? Jojo 4. Robert 4. Okay. Thank you, Forest Apostle. All right. Let's see if you are going to do me good tonight and make my words really stand out, because I've praised all of you that you did fantastic 100%. Let's see if you do that tonight. Okay. So if your answer is number 1, definitely wrong. Number 1 is way, you can't even qualify it because it's in the box. It has nothing to do with our secret at all. This guy is not privy to our secret. He knows nothing. Okay, this one is trying to pop his nose out of the box, but it's still confined in the box. So it's still in the box. All right, number 3, make a good attempt, but unfortunately, 1 leg in, 1 leg out. Uncommitted. We don't want that. Wow, as you can see, with everybody's pair of 2 eyes, like mine, I've got 2 pair of eye. One the natural and the other one is the glasses which my optician gave me, so I can look this with my 2 pairs that this is completely out of the box. Okay, so number 4 seems to be I'll hold my judgment. All right, number 5. No, number 4 is correct. So you guys, you proved me right. So I was right about you, that you know what you're doing. So 4 is the correct answer. 5 is not, because 5 is not the first one, even though it qualifies as well, but we found what we are looking for. No longer looking. Once we find what we are looking for, next thing is to trade. So now we trade at the point where that candle closes. All right, it's a great entry, right? It's a very good entry because it's not far from the line. So our stop loss will not be too large. Okay, so we sell from that level, from that point, and this is our stop loss. And let's measure the TP. The take profit for this particular one here is what? 35 pips. Yes, 35 pips. I like when the pips is large like that, so you can make some good things out of it. 35. So from here to where? To there, 35. Now we got 60 maximum. We got 70. Well, unfortunately, we did, oh, did we say 35? Yeah, and we got to 70. Yeah, that is TP1 and TP2. Nearly. In fact, you can squeeze TP1 and TP2 out of it, because we said that one was 35 pips. Did we say 35 pips? Yes, 35 pips. Yes, and that was 70 pips. So you might be able to get away with TP1 and TP2, but if because of the spread and everything you only get TP1, so be it. You got money. Money is the most important thing, ladies and gentlemen. You got your pips. Okay. All right. We have to answer Mr. Samjoku or Jolu. We need to show him the gold. He wants to see the gold by all means. So here is your chance to see your gold. Man, let's look for the gold. All right, he wants to see the gold. Gold is called the SAUUSD. Where are you, Mr. Gold? SAUUSD. Is that correct? That's Mr. Gold for you. Okay. All right. So let's make sure we are looking at today. Yeah, we are looking at today. Yeah, this is today here. So we got the Asian box, and you got the Euro box, and then you got the US box. So which one do you want to analyze? Any of them. Okay, so let's do the analysis starting from the Asian box. Actually, we don't need this one. We can get rid of that one. All right, so the Asian box. Remember our secret? Who remember our secret again? Yeah, if you look at here, do you remember our secret we just talked about a moment ago? Anybody remember that secret here? Why this breakout is different from other breakouts? Yeah, do you remember that? Special secrets, yeah. Here, nothing, no trade here. Okay. All right, Dele, you are new to the group, but where do I start from? How do I trade this strategy you are teaching? It's so simple. First, you need to do, right, is to listen today, right? I can guarantee you if you listen for the next 5 minutes, you will get this strategy straight away. You don't have to wait till tomorrow. Tonight, 5 minutes time, you understand everything to do with this strategy. It's so simple, okay? That's your first step. Second step is to join the Telegram group, where all they talk about is this strategy, only this strategy. The group is called Simple Breakout Strategy, SBS. That is it. So you become an SBS member. You'll be allowed to join the group, okay? So now, ladies and gentlemen, the secret says there is no trade here. Okay, there is no trade here, because the candle has not closed completely, has not formed completely outside the box. So when there's going to be trade, the candle must be completely outside, must not be touching the line whatsoever form or shape or line, anything. It must be completely different. Is there any validity for this level? Yes, there is validity for all the two levels. Okay. All right. So there's no trade here. So let's zoom out. Okay. So we don't have any trade here. Actually, you know what? There's no trade for the whole of this session. The first trade comes in at Europe. Okay. So let's move to Europe. So you've been a watch night. You've been watching, nothing happened in Asia. Now you move to Europe. Okay, suddenly we got a trade in Europe, which is this one here. Okay, so let's zoom out more. Okay, so Delay. Okay, Delay, this is your 5 minutes. 5 minutes time to learn the strategy. And tell me after 5 minutes if you still don't get it, okay? But I assure you you're gonna get it. 5 minutes starting from now. So this box is an hour box drawn between 7 and 8 a.m. GMT. You can draw it yourself if you want. If you want the indicator to draw it for you, just like we did here, you can have access to the indicator. It's on the Telegram group. The link is on this discussion. Okay, find the link. So once this box is drawn, the next thing you are looking for is a candle that is going to be formed outside of the box. Outside of the box, and that candle must be completely outside, must not touch the line whatsoever. So you start looking. So after the box, this is candle 1, it's not outside. Candle 2, part of it is outside, is touching. Candle 3 is touching. Candle 4 is touching. Candle 5 is touching. Candle 6 is inside. Candle 7 is inside. Candle 8 is inside. Candle 9 is touching. Candle 10 is touching, is inside and outside. We don't want that. Candle 11, okay, this candle 11, if you have 2 pair of eyes like I do, no, I'm not a ghost, okay, I have 1 pair, but I've got another glasses making it 2. All right, so okay, no, that's the maximum, but I can see from here, I could see that is not touching, okay. But if you're not sure, you know what, if you're not sure that it's not touching the line, there's a way we can make sure. There is a way, definitely way to make sure. To make sure is to look at the data window, look at the low of this price, which currently is 173255, and look at the line or the high of that of the hour, which is 173220. No, the high, which is 173246. So one is 46, one is 55. So definitely 55 is higher than 46. So this is not touching the line. We have proved it beyond reasonable doubt by looking at the data window. But if you don't want to get yourself into looking into the fine detail, you just want to look at it, and if it doesn't look like it's out of the box, just move on, look for the next one. Okay, so on this occasion, actually this one doesn't touch the line, so we are going to put our buy trade at the close of that candle. Okay, and the reason is, if you look at the line, see, this is the line here, I put the line here, see, there's a gap between the line and the candle. Okay, that's why you choose this one as your trigger candle. 2 minutes gone or 3 minutes daily. Okay, so when you buy here, you need to set 2 prices. 1, you need to set your stop loss, and 2, you need to set your TP, take profit target, TP. So your stop loss is the lower line here. Okay, so your stop loss, just make sure it's drawn properly. Okay, your stop loss will be the lower line here, the low of the hour. Okay, it's your stop loss if you buy. Okay, now that we are we've bought here, the stop loss is on this line here, or just 1 or 2 pips away from the line, just to be safer. Okay, so now your TP, take profit target, is going to be the size of this box. Okay, so you go to measure the size of this box. Now we are dealing with gold rare, so the size of this box is 46 pips. 46 pips. So now we are going to be looking for 46 pips from where we enter to the highest point. So let's make sure we know where the highest point is. You can see that the highest point actually goes on and on and on. So the highest point actually is here. Okay, so you got into trade from that line here, and you're looking for 46 pips. Okay, 31 pips, 40 pips, 60 pips, and 90 pips. So you've secured your TP1 definitely, and probably your TP2. It's as simple as that. And since then, there's nothing else to do. Okay, so if you are trading 2 or 3 sessions, okay, but if you want to make life easy for yourself, just limit yourself to 1 session. So the indicator is called sessions. You can set 3 types of session. You can set the Asian, Europe, and US. So currently we have all these 3 sessions open. You can disable any session you want by turning off the color. So when you turn off the color like this, I say I don't want to see Asian session anymore, or you know what, I don't want to see American session anymore. Plum, bye bye, plum. See you later, goodbye, talk to you later. You see, the other ones are gone. All you can see now is a purple color, which is the European session. Great stuff. Okay, did you understand it, Delhi? Oh man, the strategy work 100%. I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't go that far, my bro. I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't say 100%, but it's with back testing and live testing and forward testing, it looks like it's between 70-80%. Okay, so I wouldn't say 100% because it will not work sometimes. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so Kube, how do we set up the time for instrument that doesn't close like volatility index and underward session? Okay, so this will be a challenge for you to solve, right? I would say for a volatility that doesn't stop continuously, no trading session, you could start with the Europe session, for example. Start with Europe session, see how that volatility reacts, that index reacts to that time. If it does, you don't like the sound of it, change it. I'll show you something that you need to look at. You need to look out for when you are setting your box on a volatility index. Let me pick one currency. Suggest one currency to pick. Euro, GBP, whatever, anything. Yeah. Okay. All right. So look at what you are going to be noticing. Yeah, that when we drop our box, sometimes or most of the time, it always finds a high of a session. You can see this is when the Europe starts. They hit the highest point here, and from there, what happened? It's gone down. So when you put your box and it doesn't find the high, on the volatility index, try to see where is the major turning points on your chart. Major turning point, your box must be always at around that turning point on your chart. Okay, so not all the time, but majority of the time it will be something close to a turning point. Okay, here is really not turning point, but it's some high, right? So let's look further. Look, this is a turning point. This is a low point. See, from here up we go. Okay, so your chart must be at a turning point. Look at that, it's at a turning point here. Off we go. From there, off we go. So look for when you place the box, experiment. Yeah, that's the word. Experiment with the box, with the volatility index. Whatever you want to trade, experiment with it. Put the box at Europe session, for example, 9 to 10, and see how it reacts. If it's not anywhere around like lines like this, you might think, oh, maybe it might work better here. Okay, cite it here and then look at the back history performance and see, oh, has it been always good like that? Has it been always good like that? So that is what you can check out for. So when you do that over time, you'll be able to see whether that place is good or not. You see, we didn't see turning point every time. When I'm scrolling, we didn't see it every time, but we see it many times, right? So that's another turning point. We didn't see it every time. Look, that's another turning point. So does that make sense to you now? So that's another turning point, because you see this is high. From this high, we go down from there. So when you put your box on the experimental index you are trying to trade, then let the box find the high of that instrument. Once you are able to locate majority of the high or the turning point of that instrument, bang, you got it. Bang, you got it. Hey, that is the Eureka. Eureka, you got it, you got it, you got it. Uncle Bay, nice one. Oh, okay, which one is it? Who's this? I see Every time you want to measure the range, you click the icon. Okay, yes. In my brief and first visit here today, you will teach everyone a shorter, more convenient method to achieve this. Thank you so much. Click the mouse wheel, okay, and enter this mode easily and quickly. All right. You are really great, and your joy radiates to me. Simon from Israel. Great, great. No one is above learning. I am open to learn. I want to learn new things. Actually, I love to come to Israel and learn from you and learn from the country. So thank you so much. Okay, Nkube. Oh man, how can you make the box? Okay, box is so simple to make the box. To make the box, you can do two things. You can do it yourself, which here we call it DIY, or you can let the indicator do it for you. Which one do you want? Tell me. Which one do you want? All right, I'm waiting for Omar. I'm waiting for Omar to answer my question. Which one do you want, Omar? Do you want to do it yourself, or you want the indicator to do it for you? All right. Someone is going to answer the question for you if you are not quick enough. Someone is going to answer it for you. All right. Okay. Let me. Oh no. Omar, you know the rules of this game here, yeah? The rule of this game is no one leg in, no leg out. You are all in or all out, right? Jeez. Okay. You wanna do it yourself? Okay. Oh no. We're no both. Not both. No way. You choose one. Okay, Omar. We follow Omar. Omar wants to do it himself. All right. Let's give it to Omar. Omar wants to do it himself. Okay. All right. So, what we used to do before is so simple. Is we are looking for the candle between the hours. Okay. Let me take away. Let me delete that indicator. All right. So I'm going to delete the indicator, right? So the indicator is gone. Sorry, we don't have the indicator anymore. Oh, the indicator is gone. Why? All right. So indicator is gone. So I want to pretend as if I don't know where it is. So I am going to scroll away from here, so you don't think, oh, he has memorized where the box is. That's why he drew it correctly. No, I'm not memorizing anything. So I'm going to scroll to anywhere I like. I'm going to stop somewhere where I think. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, let's stop here. Okay, let's stop here. Now, first thing is you need to locate 9 o'clock candle. 9 o'clock candle. 9 o'clock. How do you locate 9 o'clock? You need to locate 9 o'clock from here. Okay, you need to locate 9 o'clock from here. So here is 11 o'clock. 11:45. So 9 is still behind. So 9 o'clock. See how to learn. Thank you so much, my friend. What's your name from Israel? What is it? Your name from Israel? Give us the translation of your name, please, because we want to shout it out. All right. So 9 o'clock. So this is look at here. So we are going to draw a line at 9 o'clock. So I'm going to take a vertical line. I'm going to let me change the color of the line so you can see properly. Let's make that line gold, because somebody like gold here. So we're going to make it gold. Okay, gold line. Okay, so but I'm going to put my gold line at 9 o'clock. Okay, so where is my 9 o'clock? Okay, this is my 9 o'clock, right? That's my 9 o'clock. Do we all agree that's my 9 o'clock? Okay. All right. So I'm looking for the candle for 10 o'clock. Okay. Let me drop a line here and let me see whether it's 10 o'clock candle. This look like 10 o'clock candle, isn't it? 10:05. Okay, let me put it here and I'll check. Okay, so this is this 10 o'clock. That's 9:55. Oh no, this is okay. Let me make it bigger. Make life easy for everybody, right? What is it? Oh, okay. All right, let's do another one because this one has scrolled away. Okay, so let's look for 9 o'clock candle. First of all, 9 o'clock. Where are you? This is 17. 9 o'clock, 15. 10 o'clock. This is 9 o'clock. Where are you? 9 o'clock. Okay, 9:35. 8:50. That's 9:15. That's 9:05. Right, this is 9 o'clock. Okay, let's do the second one. Second one is at 10 o'clock. Okay, why is the 10 o'clock candle? All right, this is the 10 o'clock candle. This candle here. So this is the 10 o'clock candle. Okay, so we got the two times. So we got 9 o'clock, we got 10 o'clock. Where is the lowest of the hour? Okay, the lowest point of the hour is here. Okay, the lowest point, let's draw our lowest point. That's the lowest point. Let's draw the highest point. I want to first of all see where that candle ends. So okay, the highest point is there. Okay, so let's confirm. Is this 9 o'clock? Yes. Is this 10 o'clock? Yes. Is this the high of the hour? Yes. Is this the low of the hour? Yes. So you've done your box. So this is your box. The only thing now is that there is no color. There is no color in there, but you got your box. Okay, so let's do some confirmation. Now let's add our indicator. Insert indicator, custom sessions. Okay, so we don't want Asian session, so no color. We want Europe session to be 9, to start at 9 and to stop at 10 o'clock. Okay, we don't want American session, so we just want the Europe session. Is that clear, everybody? There's no magic here. Is that clear? Okay, so Europe session 9 to 10. That's it. Bang. Hey, Eureka! We found it. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, did you get that? Did you get that? Did you get that? Yeah. Was that nice? Simon. Oh, yes. Sorry, Simon. You said it before. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Simon, for visiting today. Hope you're going to come back next time. It's a great thing we have here. We enjoyed it. It's wonderful. So nice to come and join us today. So we have a Telegram channel or Telegram group where we continue this discussion of this thing here. So it would be great if you can join, and everybody else join this Telegram group. At the moment, we have loads of people there. We have over 700 on the group. Okay, so if you are on the group, you can contribute, you can share your strategy, or share your experience, you can share your results, and you can learn from other people. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this this show. The show must go on. Oh man, what treat instruction are you asking for again, Mr. Daly? Right? This is simple enough. You can write the instruction yourself if you want to, but and we have loads of video for it. This is recorded, so if you want to watch over and over and over again, you can go back and watch it on the YouTube channel. I understand you might want to, take your time to learn it. That's cool. So go back to the YouTube channel. We have dedicated to this strategy. We have more than 20 videos. So just take your time to learn it one after the other. Oh, no, not FIBO. We were just talking about generally about the box. We are talking generally about simple breakout system. Okay, I can show you. I mean, if you know me very well, people that have been following me for over a few years, let me show you the YouTube channel. Okay, this is me here. All right, this is me here. That's my YouTube channel. So currently we have close to 40,000 subscribers. So with all these videos you are looking at, if you click videos, okay, all these videos where you are looking at, this is the one we are doing right now. This is live. So if I click here, you see, I'll see your face. All these ones are dedicated to Simple Breakout Strategy, SBS. All these videos, okay? Okay, so actually the first video we did on this strategy is this very one. And we have 5,000 views on that. So you asked me if you want to do, if I want to do, let me see, what did you say? FIBO, okay, Fibonacci. You asked me if I want to do Fibonacci. Yes, so you can come over here, and I believe I've done Fibonacci in the past. This is harmonic pattern. Let's look for Fibonacci extension. Where is it? Okay, mastering Fibonacci retracement levels. So if you want to master Fibonacci extension or retracement levels, there you go. It was done. I did it 2 years ago. It's been viewed over 40,000 times. So it's fantastic. You can listen to people's comments about it, how it has helped them. So all the things you need to know is right there. Right there. Thank you so much. Good luck. Good luck. You are coming here at this time. You'll be fine. You're welcome. Jojo. You're welcome. All right. So somebody is still asking for the Telegram channel. Okay. Here we go. That is the Telegram channel. Click there and join. Okay. Robert, when inputting the time, am I to use 7 to 8 or 9 to 10? Oh yeah, 9 to 10. If you are IC market, 9 to 10 all the way. Robert, no question asked. 9 to 10. How you go? Okay, good, Dele. You can take your time. Yes, so I've shown you all the videos, that are available for you to watch. Okay, all the videos that are available for you to watch. All these videos, pick any of them. It's the same strategy we talk about. Okay. Okay, no worries. Okay. Okay, Kube, you're welcome. Oma, welcome. Vankatesh, great stuff. Robert, good man. Ronki, why are you coming this time? Or you just be in the background? Okay, you're welcome. No problems. No problems whatsoever. Good. Any questions from anybody before we round up tonight? Okay, all right. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to teach you tonight. I derive so much pleasure as you do. So take care. Have a great weekend. Smash Forex like anything else. And let's come back on Monday again and do it all over and make money. Take care, guys. And see you next time. It's Dari.